Rust preventive coatings. We get a fair number of questions every day. Obviously, everyone knows this for the red can or the rust preventive. One of the common questions we get asked is, can you paint POR-15, the rust preventive, over another painted surface? And the quick answer is, of course you can. You can paint over whatever you want. We recommend going over bare metal, slightly rusted metal, but removing all old paint as much as possible. And the reason for that is you want to have your rust preventive adhering to the surface you're trying to protect, so you get the best adhesion, so you get best the long-term durability, and you know it's not going to come off. If you're painting over a paint that's already there, you don't know how well that paint's going to adhere, you don't know how old it is, you don't know if it's going to last, you also don't know if it's corroding underneath that paint. So yes, you can paint over other paints. It's not something we recommend because we want people to have the best results possible, minimize corrosion, minimize rust continuing on whatever trying to paint and protect. So our recommendation is always remove a previous paint and start fresh.